Kristen with Westside Construction here. I'm doing a repairability test on this roof. There's multiple wind-blown shingles throughout, and as well as hail damage, as you can see, that are circled. But I'm going to start right here on this wind damaged shingle right here. So in order for me to start, I'm going to need to find out where it starts and where it ends. So I'm going to start by unsealing the tab, which is already unsealed. And I gotta unseal it further because it continues on. And then I'll have to unseal the ones on top of this and on top of this to get the nails out to properly get this shingle out and replace it. All right, so as you can see, shingle ends right here, this entire tab. So I gotta unseal this one a bit as well. Also, let's seal up here. And I'm using the insurance approved roof snake to do this. Alright, now I also have to unseal this. So, the first nail I gotta get out is right here. So I'm going to go underneath the damaged one to prop it out. As you can see, having removed my roof snake, and this nail has popped through. When these nails pop through, it's creating bigger damage, causing for water in the future to seep through the roof and cause leaking. However, this is the shingle that we have to replace.
You show me the nail pop. Oh yeah.
This one has done similar damage. Now I gotta get this nail out right there. This nail right here. Down a little bit more. This nail right here. Got two right here. All right, just gonna leave my snake there. I'm going to get a closer look. I'm going to lift up the shingle. In the process, trying to get this out, you can see that it's completely ripped the shingle right here. This roof is not repairable. I'm going to continue on getting these nails out, but doing this repairability to just get out this one shingle right here has caused more damage than good. somewhere. One more repair. Alright, so this is the shingle that we were taking out to replace. As you can see, all the damage has caused the larger holes and all of that. Let's take a look at the damage it's caused. So looking at this shingle, looks fine until you lift this up and you see it is all cut up right here. This is completely torn. You can completely see my finger through there. This one as well, you can see the larger hole is created. This roof is not repairable. We're gonna go ahead and tarp this up and send this off to you guys.